Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an SNMP server. SNMP, or Simple Network Management Protocol, is a foundational tool for network management. It enables you to gather vital information from network devices like routers, switches, and servers. By deploying SNMP, you can proactively monitor device status, performance metrics, and receive critical alerts, ensuring your network runs smoothly and efficiently. We will cover the essential steps to get your SNMP server up and running, providing you with better control over your network infrastructure. Next, let's get the SNMP components installed. For Windows systems, you can typically add the SNMP service through Turn Windows features on or off in the control panel, or via Server Manager for server operating systems. If you are on Windows 10, version 1809 or newer, use a specific PowerShell command for installation. On Linux, you'll use your package manager, such as yum or apt-get, to install the NetSNMP and NetSNMP-utils packages. This ensures your system has the necessary agent software to communicate. Now, let's configure your SNMP agents for secure operation. For SNMP versions 1 and 2, community strings act as passwords. It is vital to use strong, complex strings of at least 20 characters, combining uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Always use different strings for read-only and read-write access. For better security, restrict SNMP access to specific IP addresses or subnets. Remember to open UDP ports 161 for requests and 162 for traps on your firewall to allow communication. Finally, it's time to test and monitor your SNMP setup. After configuring your agent, use a tool like SNMP Walk from a management station to query the agent and verify it responds as expected. For example, you can query system information. Also, ensure that any configured SNMP traps, which are alerts, are being successfully received by your network monitoring system. Remember, after any configuration changes, it is crucial to restart the SNMP service, or daemon, on the device for the new settings to take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.